Welcome to another video. Today we're bringing a interesting program that someone brought across my table. And the only reason I'm really taking a look into this because I think this is going to be something that's going to help some people without a lot of work. The program is called Our Own Rescue. It's another one of those matrix donation based programs. I'm looking through the FAQs. It's inexpensive, so I just put some money in it and I'm checking it out real time. But I think this is going to be something that's actually going to work, unlike another one that I was working on in the back end that I put some money into, but I never brought it to YouTube because it seems like it's not going to work. So this is a 3x4 matrix. What they're saying they're going to be offering is banner ad impressions, text ad impressions, 10 and master resale rights to products of their collection of 1,000. It's worldwide. You can use pretty much the main payment processors. It's daily pay as well. So here's just some more FAQs. So to come over to the back office and to refresh it, this is how it looks. The steps are pretty simple, but actually the video before this, it breaks down all the steps on how to get started, so I'm not really going to touch on that on the website. And if you've seen this on YouTube, you're going to see a video that's going to break down all the steps to get started. So to get down into how things look, my position. So there's 4 levels in each stage. The first stage starts at $10 and the second stage is going to start at $100 bucks. So this matrix is geared towards you come in for $10, and let's actually just break it, show you how it works. It kind of shows the whole scheme of things, but I'm just going to break down the first 2 levels. So for example, I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty wide, but the first level, it's 3 people on the first part of the matrix, and they're going to pay out $10 each, which is going to be 30 bucks. You're going to take 20 out of that 30 bucks, and you're going to go to the second level, and then from there, each of these members are going to pay you 20 bucks. I want to say 20 bucks, and then you're going to take that money and go to the next level. So it's that type of concept. But the amazing thing about this program is, there was one where you can buy positions as well, but each position had 27 spots in it. And then people were buying 1,000 positions each, meaning, say for example, say your first matrix, you have to fill in all these spots just to earn $27. That would take a long time. And I was telling them it just is not going to work. But this is the breakdown of all the levels. So you're seeing everything. So the first level is only 3 spots. You're going to get paid instantly. So each of these spots of $10, you're going to get paid instantly. So as soon as someone joins and pays $10, you're going to get that instantly. So you can either, what you want to do is it's supposed to be a $10, I want to say a $10 profit, because you're going to keep $10 and you're going to join the next level at 20 bucks, and then the higher it gets, the more profits going to be. I want to say the first stage breaks down to around 7,000 bucks, and then the second stage breaks down to, I want to say $10,000. Don't quote me on that. So the first stage is supposed to, have a grand scheme of $7,000 in profit. So I just personally, what I mainly took out of this and why I liked it the most is because you start getting paid right away. You don't have to wait a month to get your money, and the matrix is a 3x4, so you're getting the first level. It's only 3 spots you need to get, and it's spillover, of course, since it's set up like this. So once I get my 3 people, any other people that I bring in is going to fall underneath you guys. So that's why I like that. It's just one of those compounded matrix programs that's just pretty much geared to get some extra money. A lot of people like these programs. A lot of people they just aren't into affiliate marketing and hard recruiting programs, which that's my thing. So I just always tap into these things these type of programs. They're not my number one because they kind of come and go. They mess it up. Some are just not too legit as for me and compliant. But I've just been sticking around, testing the water. So we're gonna see how this one works. It's only $10 to get started one time, so it's nothing. You know, we spend that on lunch every day. But it can pay you out some good dividends. So the video you already seen, or the video you're going to see, shows you a little bit more of a breakdown of the program. It's really that simple. If you come into this, I actually created an account with these text ads. Well, actually, this is built in, but it also linked me to this account, which is called Max Viral Marketing. So you get some free promotion for your business, as well as they have a lot of actually cool tools, interesting tools to add on. So this program's offering, you know, the traditional ads marketing platform type of thing, but we're just keeping it simple, and I'm just, you know, checking it out. And like I said, it's kind of one of those things. If it doesn't blow up like I think it's gonna blow up, it's not a big loss for me. But remember, subscribe to my YouTube. I have a lot of different programs with products, major services, marketing, information. This is just one of those things I'm adding just to see where it goes, and I think this can help a lot of people who don't have a lot of money to start in this business. If you're seeing this on the website, all the information will be below. And then you can contact me also if you want my YouTube to see my other videos, or you probably can click this video to go onto my YouTube if I posted this video on through YouTube. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.